Alright guys, I'm looking at this area here and I need to clean this up. This is just a mess. I mean, it's organized chaos. I guess that could be the word that we could use, but I gotta do better. Here's what it looks like in here now. It's a little cleaner, much more organized than it was before. I've got everything as I want it, and I've gotten rid of a few things, and I've cleared a space where I just feel better about looking up towards the front of the RV. Fire going this morning to take the chill off. Not cold at all, only like 48 degrees. I had zero heat on in here last night. It was completely comfortable and warm. But I just like to have a little fire in the morning until you can't anymore. Part of that reason would be is the door is actually open up here in the front of the RV, or back of the RV, calling this the front. I just have the blankets in front of the door here, but I like to listen to the birds and get the fresh air still, so this is a way to do it. It's supposed to be another rainy day today. So far no rain, and that's cool. I'll tell you what, man, I think I just said that I went to Stewart's to get some sugar, and everything has popped out. The leaves are just going nuts now. You don't see it as much right here, but you go down the road some, and I mean, it looks like a different world now. Things changed overnight, and once the sun does decide to come out, it's going to be an absolute jungle around here. It's working on it right now. I am having zero luck with the cast iron. I'm just completely striking out every time. I absolutely cannot cook. I cannot cook potatoes in it. Not at all. I cannot do French fries of any sort. You know, cut them up. It just burns, or it just doesn't cook. Turns to mush. Takes hours. Everything I put in the cast iron burns. And I'm doing everything I'm supposed to be doing, or I guess I'm not, because it's just not. I'm having trouble with this gimbal here this morning. There we go. I really want to start using this gimbal too, because I think it does a better job with the filming. You know, you don't hear any noise, and it just is much smoother. Sometimes a little too smooth, you know, it looks like you're flying around, but I don't know. And it's also pretty easy to use. I think once I get used to it here.
Woman. And he said,
we are out here today at Christ the King for a walk in the woods on the trail. Susan wanted to do some photography, and I figured it was a good chance for me to maybe use my Canon. Just get out here and practice shooting, you know. It looks like the graveyard here took a little bit of a beating this winter. All the posts are falling down here. Well, it's definitely quiet up here. Really not any noise at the moment. Alright, I am out here in the kitchen trying to film me having breakfast for dinner. Whoa, this is really wet out here. We've had a lot of rain. This is quite beautiful, huh? Once again, the river is high. My wife was down here this morning and it wasn't quite over the block down there. And now, as you can see, it's over the block and over the first step and working its way up to the second. You can't tell how muddy it is from this angle, but it definitely is. Wow, those leaves are really coming out. I hope we can get out there soon. This is late for us to not be out there, you know? We're usually out there by now. It's May 1st and isn't happening yet. RiverJackZ.com. That's my website. That's my website and that's my stage name, RiverJack Z. Cause I live by a river. My name is Jack and Z is for zucchini. The group I used to play in. I still play in it, kind of. Well, yeah, there's just two of us now. There used to be three. I'm the only one who's really still playing. Anyway, we have moments of sunshine out here. Then, as you can see, the sun goes in. I think I'm going to do a workout here. Well, like I said, we just may be getting a... Well, I didn't say this actually. What I said was the weather's been changing a lot. And here's another situation. A little while ago, it was was quite warm and sunny. It's still warm. Well, what is it? 60 degrees. Alright, we are going to walk outside here because I just wanted to take a look up here. I don't know if something evil's coming our way or what. Hard telling, not knowing what's going on. See, this is what this day's been like. You look there, and you look over here, it's a little lighter, more hope. But it changes almost every time I walk out the door. Like, I'll be like, I'm gonna go back inside now, you know, because it's just not nice. Well, I've already decided that, you know, I'm not gonna be camping out here too much tonight. I don't mean camping out, but staying out here. I was actually working on dinner. I think we're gonna go back to that. I'm working on quite a few things. Too many things. Trying to learn too many things right now. I'm trying to learn Da Vinci right now. I'm not even going to talk about it, but there's a lot on the plate to be learned. YouTube University for sure for a bit here. Oh, yeah. Look at that. It's a good way to do that. You want to see what's going on and get a clear view. This thing, for some reason, for the most part, unless it starts getting really, really windy, it doesn't get wet in here. I mean, you know, I can have this door open like this. And the outside door, I guess that probably gets a little wet. Wetter than this. I'm going to have to close it here in a minute, I do think. We're getting a good soaking again, and that's what was predicted. I'll tell you what, that river's starting to swell, and it's as dirty as it can be. I wouldn't want to be a fish in there right now. We are getting rained on. I hope this is not going to be what it's going to be like for the next many months. I'm sure it won't be. We're getting our good soaking now, you know, so that everything grows, and then we'll be fine. You know, so I can see it at night there. That's dinner. Alright, there's that lighter. I've been looking for that all freaking day. I swear to God, it's got a mind of its own and does what it wants. If it doesn't want to be a lighter, then it just takes off and hides on me.
Welcome back to BAM. Feels like forever since I've been here. When was the last time I was here either? So much has happened. Life never slows down. Actually, now that I'm back in the park, I need to do this.
It doesn't look any different.
This bad boy. Yeah,
Alright, probably what I need to do is just turn this up a little bit down here. There we go. Get rid of the disarray. Let's see. Continues to rain outside the screen here. This is screen life right here. This is what it looks like looking through a screen, through the eyes of a screen. I'm really digging my setup. Can't see anything here, but it does look good. Let's see if this light makes a difference there. Makes a difference there. It doesn't really make a difference there. Maybe a slight bit of difference. This thing just sets its mind to the lighting that it wants, and that's what it does. It does not adjust its light, which is good and not. Osmo action camera. I guess they have a new one out now. I got this one about, I don't know, in the last 5 years or so, I would say. Very, very happy with it, but no buts about it. I'm happy with it. You know, anytime's a good time. I would say anytime's a good time for an update, a new camera, you know, see what's out there. Maybe stick with the Osmo. I'm not sure. I have so many different cameras that I'm using right now, and I'm not sure what I like. I definitely know I like the phone, and I'm going to update that at some point, but alright guys, we're chasing a rainbow. It's interrupting my dinner, but whatever. Let's hope there's something left of this. Alright, back to that pasta dinner. Oh yeah. Turned out really good. Didn't burn too much. Maybe a little bit. But we're getting there, I think. Oh my gosh, it's 100 degrees in here. Alright, shoes off. It's muddy out there. Alright guys. There's my dinner right there. 81 in here. I gotta get the heat down. That's what's left. That was really good.